You can kind of see the Des Moines skyline there behind the trees. We're at the village at Gray's Lake, and they got something fun here. Let me tell you, this thing is sketchy as hell, but pretty fun. Why is the rotodial making noise? That's not normal. Hear the generator start up. This thing actually is a UCL, surprisingly. 10 UCL. All right, down to 2. Why is the floor sticky? Fenton Hall. Interesting, Fenton Hall. You coming up?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold it. What floor?
5.
You got it. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. This one only goes as far down as 2. There is no first floor on this one. Looks like this is an older closed door button. This thing is sketchy. We'll take one more ride. Fenton Hall. I wonder if this used to be a school. All right, we'll end it here because I got to speed test it on the way down. Let's see what a terminal. Let's see what a terminal arrow looks like. All right, intermediate. I mean, oh, what the hell? It has these ones. What? Huh. I'll take it back up. Sounds like something is spinning around in the doors. Doors close at least when you hit the close button. It runs pretty decently for the visual shape it's in. Anyway, motor room's up there.